Pinta Forever and welcome! We are Pinta For, a bunch of student artists who believe in our tagline, Pinta for you, Pinta for all. Alright, let me ask you this. Have you ever seen a painting that left an impression on you? Wherein its meaning, colors, or even composition inspired you?
An artist like Bottom Francisco, perhaps whose paintings leave a deep impression on someone.
Like so deep that you ever start to wonder what artwork you might be able to make if you just saw the process.
Well, let us show you how you can.
Let's take a look at our materials. We'll be using a 9x12 panel canvas, acrylic paint, a pencil and eraser, paint brushes of different sizes, along with a container of water for them, and of course, the artwork that you felt inspired by. This one for today is Bottom Francisco's Bayanihan.
Alrighty, now we can start.
To begin, use simple shapes as your base, a square for the body of the house and a triangle for the roof. Keep your lines light and loose for now. We'll refine the details later when painting. Coloring is the most important part of the whole painting process. Bottom Francisco's mural never had dual colors, so let's use vibrant color like bright red, different shades of yellow, lush greens, and deep blues. We're also using different shades of brown, but the most important is to color white, so we can adjust the shades and values of our color. Don't worry too much right now, as we're only painting the base color. It's best to use flat colors for this part and very minimal rendering. Filipino skin isn't just plain brown. Let's use different tones like warm and cool. Use different brushes and values, like for the detail of the grass and the baikubo and clothing. Textures and different shades bring life to your art. Shading in the background can set the scene. Let's use darker values for the shadow and lighter values for the highlights. And there! When it already looks better, we're all done.
And here we have our finished painting! That's it for today, our Pinta Forever. See you in our capstone presentation. See you! See you!